Hello and welcome back to Origami Treasure. I'm your host Yutain, and today I'm gonna be showing you the easiest tutorial on how to make an origami crane. Yes, you heard me right. This is the logo of almost every origami channel that you can see, and this is a really difficult bird to make, but not as long as you're in Origami Treasure. We show you the easiest tutorials on origami making and other cool stuff as well. And so, yeah, let's jump right in. Alright, so let us start. So today we're gonna be building this crane up. This is a very difficult one, but don't worry, you're with Origami Treasure. We show you the easiest tutorial available. So this time I'm gonna be using these sheets, and so let us start. So the color you want should be at the top, okay? So right now I want this design on my bird, so this should be at the top. So we fold it in half into triangles. First one like this. And always remember, the more perfect are your folds, the more perfect will you be getting the bird at the end, okay? So if your steps are always perfect and your edges are always perfect, then you shouldn't be getting a wrong bird. You should be getting the perfect design always. Unless you have a perfect side, that is. And then you open it, and again to the other side. Like that. And then when you have two triangles, you want to open it up and you want to flip it, and then you want two triangles, rectangles like this in half. Remember, the sides should always be perfect. As soon as you have a perfect one, you just fold it right there. Excuse me. And then you open it, and the other side, and fold again. Always perfect sides. Right. When you have two triangles, you want to open it up, turn it into the shape of a diagonal, like you can see now it's a diagonal like that, right? And you want to put them like this. They want to naturally come and meet up again, so you want to make them meet like the papers like this. You fold from here and like that. You fold from here, keep it down from here, and press. Again, perfect sides. This part should also be perfect, like that, and there. Right, now we keep this flap at the top and the two flaps at the bottom, okay, remember? Yeah, and now you want to take this one flap and you want to fold it to the line that you can see in the center. You must be able to see a crease over here, a folded line. So you want to fold it along that edge, like this. So before this part, you were seeing the base of the bird. The more perfect size you do in that part, the more perfect will your bird be in the starting part. Okay, now you're starting with the real part of making the bird, and now after you have both sides, then just flip it and do the same step again. Okay, like that and like that. Okay, and there. And that. Okay, and this is an extra step, but if you do this step, this will help you in a further fold. So make that fold easy. You want to turn it over like that, and then you just want to do this part like there, and the other side as well. Okay, like that. You want to flip, take it to the top, open these flaps up like that, like that. You want to keep it there, and you want to just let the top fold there, this one. Keep your fingers here, and just till the crease that was marked here, you want to push till there, and you want to make these folds come here, like that, like this. Okay? Yes. There. Okay. So you can see this is not a perfect fold. So to make it perfect, you must be seeing a little line here. I'm just gonna make it stick to that, like that, and there. There we go. Now it should become perfect there. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna do the same step with the other side as well. Okay, like that. Again, perfect. Okay, then you want to flip this over and do the same step again. Okay, there we go. After the step, you want to take this part, one flap, and you want to fold it just like that we did in the first step there, like that. The same one to the other, and the same step on the back of it. And again this side. Okay. Now, the next step has two ways to do it. You can even pinch these two, and then you can also pinch these two up, and then you can just fold. Another way is there that you take one flap, fold it to the other, and then you flip the complete thing, and then take one flap and fold it to the other. The both steps will lead you to this place, and you should see a little gap over here and join from here. If you see that, then you're perfectly right and going good. Now you should be seeing a little crease over here, and now just take the bottom flaps and fold it up. Now these are gonna be the wings, okay? Like that. Again, it should come in the center of these two. And then you flip it and do the same thing again. And the center, and the center, like that. When you have this, you can again do that pinching step or the folding step, whatever you prefer. Everything is fine. You just want to fold them from here and eventually go up to the top, and again go up to the top. And then you can fold them, these are the wings now, and then you just fold them like this and flip, and again fold like this. So now one of them could be the beak, and okay, let's fold them along this part. I want to pull this to here, and when it comes along, you want to fold it from the bottom place. You can see I'm folding it from here, and again this part too, you want to make it come to here, right? And then you bring it to the corner and you fold from here. Okay, now the most beautiful part of the bird. Okay, the second most beautiful part of the bird, the beak. And you can make any one of them. Let's take this one to be the beak. For that, you just want to push from here and pull from here, like that, push. And when you come to this place, you want to press a little from here. And when you see that a little space from here, you just press there like that. And there we go. And you have got a natural beak and a bird of your soul that you can fly. There we go, an origami crane. And okay, that's all for today, and make sure you have subscribed to the channel, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. My Instagram ID is insta_origami.treasure. Do follow me on Instagram and give this video a like, and if you learned something new, then share the video with a friend who you think might like this video. And also don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these, and you can even check out by clicking on the top right side of your screen there on the eye icon for more amazing videos. Bye bye, see you later.